Hey guys, welcome back to TTSMC Trader. How are you all? By the way, if quick audio check, can you hear me? If everything is okay, just let me know that. Today I will go with myself, okay? So most of the time I'll be very quiet. I'd love to trade like I'm alone, all alone. I'm not doing live streaming. I'm not doing anything. I will have everything in my mind. In my mind. So yeah, I'll be quiet. Just participate in that little poll I have opened. Are you bullish or bearish? Good morning. Audio is good. Yes, stereo clear. Thank you. All okay. Abdul Moti clear. Thank you. Hi bro, it's okay. Thank you, Sharada. My bro, we hear you clear, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will keep quiet most of the time and I will do my trading. It's not a learning session. It's all about my session. And I don't want to explain the price action. I don't want to do anything. I'll just keep trading by myself. I'll go for 4 trade, one after another. I'll go for maximum 4 trade. My maximum loss is 30 handle. So if I get 30 handle loss, I'm done over there. I'm not, if one trade provide me 30 handle loss, I am done with that one trade. If when I will touch 30 handle loss, I'm done. That's all. We have PPI around 8:30, and we have a news around 10 so far I remember. Let me check. So no entry is valid before 10. I am not interested to go for price action trading before 10, but yeah, I'll go for that fast parabolic cup entry. Yeah, we have a news around 10. Friday is the mental capital preservation day. Keep that in your mind. Walaikum salam, Shahidul. Don't forget to push the like button. If any of you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Asian session was little good. I explained the Asian session. London session has provided us the liquidity making session entry. It has provided that today. Let's look at the morning session. I hope this morning session will be good as well. As we have PPI around 8:30. I hope that it will be good as well. I don't know about the PM session, but London, morning session, maybe it will be better comparing with previous some days. Yesterday's morning session, no sir, it wasn't good. That was high resistance liquidity run. Thank you AFX for that penguin. Drama boy is not here. Tamim is also not here. SK Trades is not here. A lot of people I can't see that they're not here. Team is not here. Okay. I think ICT is in live today. Wisdom. Oh, a year man. AFX, thanks for that love, man. Love you all. Again, some of you just join me a little later. I would love to repeat that things one more time. I would love to trade by myself today. No explanation, no nothing. I'll go maximum for 4 trade. My maximum loss is 30 handle, 30 to 40 handle, not exactly 30 handle. 30 to 40 handle. If I get 40 handle loss, I'm done. So I'll go for my trading. Maximum 4 losing trade in a row. I provide for 4 into 15, that means a 60 handle, but yeah, I'll go for 30 to 40 handle today. Outlander, you are here. That's cool, man. I'm cool. Thank you, Wisdom, for asking that, man. I'm cool. How are you, brother? Hi, sir. How are you? I'm not your sir. First of all, GJ. I'm not the sir. I'm your brother. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. How are you, brother? I'm here, gay boys. Yeah, hit the like button and try to make it 8,600 subscriber today. 8594. It's been 3 days. We are around 90 subscriber. So let's make it 600 today. 32. Hey, Linoto. By the way, please join to the poll. I would love to see what is maximum people is willing to go, bull or bear. So far I can see 50-50. Okay, that's 50-50, 50-50. Now 52% people are bullish, 48% people are bearish so far. Please join to the vote. I would love to see at the last result. I have a quick question. If you lose 40 handles, how much percent is that for the amount of that account? Just think about 150k account where your maximum loss is near about 5,500. So if you just lose 40 handle for 2 contracts, it's gonna cost $1,600. So maximum loss is $1,600 for me. Push the like button or you will turn gay. Hey Jen, good morning. How are you, brother? If you don't push the like button, then you will turn into gay. What a logic, brother. Is there any equation for that? What is the mathematical terms for this logic? Explain us that as well. I really don't know who is that guy who keep asking me every day in my Twitter, brother, are you coming live today? Are you coming live today? If I come live today, make sure that your notification is on. So if your notification is on and if I come live, you will get the notification. So you don't need to ask me, are you coming or not? Okay, the equation is equal to mc square. It's the Einstein equation. Why you are using it over here? I mean, if I'm not wrong, I can be wrong, but it's the Einstein equation or Einstein's logic is equal to mc square. News in 7 minutes. Yes, sir. News in 7 minutes, 6 minutes, I guess. No, no appreciation is equal to K into 10. That's a nice equation. I love that, brother. It's all metal. Hey, Magda Shark, did you take any entry today, brother? It's only VIP members today. Yep, I can see most of them are VIP members. TT plus YouTube X, no likes is equal gay. Lot of mathematicians are over here. Yes, exactly. That's how things get. But okay, Tamim is not here. Otherwise, he would block you because of your English word fx mass to energy equation. What more you're expecting with news, sir? I told that I'm not interested to talk about the price action today. I would love to do my own trading. So whatever I will do it quietly by myself. I'm not going to explain it. So today's price action is gonna be like my trading. I'm here alone, not in live streaming. I'm just trading by myself. That's all. So from the news, I will be quiet most of the time. I don't know I'll be able to do that or not because I can't keep quiet. I keep talking. But yeah, I'll try to be quiet today. You must have taken off the what's blocker. Hey Bigusi, how are you, brother? Nothing but breathing. Nothing but breathing, something like that. Nothing but breathing. I'll close the poll around 8:29. So make sure that you guys actually join that poll. I need the final result. Most of the people what you are thinking. I can simply see that 36 people has joined to that poll. Please, if you didn't join it yet, please join to the poll. So 53% per people are bullish, 47% people are bearish. Still now it's cool. Most of the people are thinking about bull move. That's cool. Sharmila Thakur, new here, been observing the past few days. I like when you explain price action and simple strategy. Thanks for that comment, sister. I guess it's my sister. Thank you for that comment, sister. But today I would love to trade. Okay, not explaining the price action, nothing. Good morning, Nicolo. How are you, brother? Ravi, I'm unable to answer the poll. I have both bias. Okay, you are the best one. Bull take buy side liquidity until C on daily last line, then bear back to range with narrative. That's cool. Need Bitcoin to pump. Oh, Outlander, you have invested to the Bitcoin. So far, I know. I remember. Edwin, is FTT Propfirm reliable? Oh man, AFX is getting payout from their real money to his bank account. So yeah, okay. 51% people has voted, and most of them are interested about bullish price action. That's cool. News in 1 minute. Slate is for poll. You should have bearish, bullish, or confused. Lol. Oh, okay, there should be a option that is called confused. I should add that on. I should have added that on. Yes, your video also brother. There's female traders too. Lol. No worries. Do you think today? Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you, sister. Okay. I mean, either way, brother and sister doesn't matter. All of we are family. Okay, that's my option. Confused. You should not be confused. You should be at least Outlander. You should not be confused. You're the one here. There you go. The new scandal. all okay unless you get. So I can see that most of the people are bullish and market is going for the bull run. You are genius, man. You guys are genius. How did you know that? You marked that sell side exactly when I marked it. I was copying you, brother. I was watching what you were doing. And when I have seen that you have marked that sell side liquid, I just simply marked it. Hey, bro, how are you, brother? Dirty talk only, please. No dirty talk is allowed. It's called wizard instinct. Lol, you are in my head. With 6 okay, you guys started to troll me. That's cool. Slate gold just hit 5666.6. It would be best if it would hit 6666.6. Slow on the buy side. I'm so sorry, sir. I should have been fast a little bit. I want to chase. I don't want to chase. What is the yellow zone? Brother, that's a bullish parabolic cap over here. See, it's just a bullish parabolic cap. If you want to chase the price, it's not a good idea. Outlander, you're most welcome. Edwin. Yeah, I would get wrecked as usual. I'm better now. That's cool, man. That's cool. There's nothing happened yet. So until now, there's nothing that can tell you go for buy or go for sell. Something, nothing yet. Okay, bro. I bought. It's already 9:30 New York. Damn. Oh, I thought. Okay, I slept at 2 p.m. today and woke up at 11 p.m. my time. I think Outlander will understand whatever time you have mentioned. I can just understand the difference between 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. That means near about 9 hours. Will you ignore the bottom lower week of news as you told earlier? I didn't say that you can ignore the week or something. I just told I don't see them as a liquidity. That's all I told. I didn't say ignore it or just use it. Just missed it. This week was the only week that could stop the price, send it higher again for this buy sell liquidity. That's why I marked it. I can use this one as an inversion the way I was trying to use this parallel cap as an inversion parallel cap. But it expanded too much. Already tapped to this bullish parallel cap again. I just missed that entry opportunity. See you, brother. Okay. Just didn't give me the entry actually. If it could tap over there, that could be my entry. Just didn't provide it to me. It's okay. My first intention was I would love to take the sell when it closed below this inversion parallel cap. When below this parallel cap, tap to this parallel cap. I'd love to take the sell. From that week, no, I'm not interested to take the sell, though it didn't provide me that inversion parallel cap. I would love to take the sell until this sell side liquidity. That would be my partial to the top of this parallel cap. When it tapped the concurrent crossment exactly, that is my another selling opportunity because next target is low of this parallel cap. So from there to there, one more partial, close the trade below this liquidity. Market just didn't provide me the entry opportunity. It's okay. Okay. I don't see any PPS, sir. What is that one? Oh man, that is fun. It's 91% exactly. If it hit my stop loss, I will take 4 handle loss. Okay, so my maximum loss is 40 handle, you know. So how many entry it will provide me for 40 handle, I'll go for that. What the hell? I don't know why it didn't close it. I mean, awesome. But it is what it is. I can't give the excuse. It didn't close, so it didn't close. Okay, just stop me out of it. Mano, really? Did you say that? It is garbage, man. Are you kidding? I would love to talk to Slate. I don't know Slate is over here or not. Slate, that was your sell side liquidity. That is your buy side liquidity. Mark the 50%. This is that exact 50%. Over here, you have this fair value gap around this area. Price came to this fair value gap. Hold this fair value gap. That is my entry opportunity. That is telling me I'm going for the sell side liquidity. I'm not going for that buy side liquidity. I'm going for that sell side liquidity. I don't know, Slate, are you here or not? I was trying to tell you about this fair value gap. Okay. What do you mean by I didn't move my stop loss? Why do not remove 100% risk and move your stop to break even here? I did it. I did it. That was my entry. My stop loss is over there. When it has cleared that liquidity. That was the liquidity. I told that I go for that relatively equal lows. That was the relatively equal lows, and that was the single low. I tried to catch it. Market doesn't need to take that low. Remember, I told it can simply trade the 50% of that week. Okay, let me show you that. This week 50. This is why I don't look at the single low as my liquidity. It has traded the 50% of that week, then it has been reversed. It has taken my liquidity. That was my liquidity. Relatively equal lows over there. This low, that low. They are relatively equal lows. It has taken that liquidity, trade that 50% of that week. It's not the liquidity. Made the liquidity for later maybe. So when I got that partial, I trailed my stop loss to the break even. Then when it actually was very near to that low, I trailed my stop loss again, because it can simply reverse from there. It doesn't need to take that low. If it is overzealous, it can obviously take that low, but it doesn't need to take that low. That's why I moved my stop loss too fast. I put it over there. Everything has been broken. Yes, sir. That is the macro time. Oh, okay, it's okay then. So do you really got why I don't mark the low as my liquidity? Why I always go for the relatively equal lows? Because market go to take that relatively equal lows. It doesn't need to take the low. It can simply reverse from the constant crossband. If you remember, I told you this just few times ago in my Discord. I just explained this thing over there. Exactly the same thing what happened over there. Coming for the unfinished order block. I guess so. I guess so, sir. I'm not going to push my button until 9:30 now. I'll go for my trading again after 9:30. Again, I know some more people has joined later, so let me clear my side from my side. Okay, today I'm not going to explain the price action the way I everyday explain. I know you guys are fed up with seeing this loss win lot of things. So I'm doing my trading today. So I'm feeling like I'm alone. I'm not in live streaming. I'm doing my trade. No explanation, no one. I'm not going to give any kind of explanation, at least when I'm trading. I will go for 4 losing trade maximum until I won't hit 4 losing trade or 40 handle loss. I will keep taking entry until I won't hit my 4 losing trade or 40 handle loss. I will keep pushing my button. Every opportunity I will get, I'll go for that. If I explain, then maybe after the trade is done, I will explain. Otherwise, I'm not going to explain the price action. 845 candle. Are you talking about this one? Let's see. In this time frame, 9 to 9:30, I don't see the price action because 90% of the time it's bullshit. From 9 candle to until 9:30, this is absolutely crap. Now, this is again for you guys who are interested about this. Look, this is your new sell side liquidity. This is your buy side liquidity. Around the 50%, do you have a last fair value gap or the fair value gap, which is going to determine is market going to go higher or lower. See this fair value gap over here, it's important over there. Around this area, this fair value gap is important. It will help you to understand is market going higher or is market going to fall. If it hold the price, most probably market will fall. If it went through this fair value gap, most probably market will go for that buy side liquidity. It doesn't mean it has to take the buy side liquidity, but it will give you a move so that you can be profitable. This is how you will observe the 50% fair value gap, range fair value gap. It is complicated over here because either this is also important, this is also at the level of 50%, this is also at the level of 50%. This is the last fair value gap, this is just a fair value gap. So which one I should give the priority, I don't know. If I'm confused, I don't use them for my direction. Instead, I wait for a clarification. I wait for that. Okay, I'll just keep it and then I'll see which one is going to react. Why it is confusing? Because this is the fair value gap. First of all, this was the previous fair value gap. Now you have a new fair value gap. So which one is important, more important? I'm confused. If I'm confused, I'm not going to use this logic over here for my direction. Instead, I will wait. Maybe I'll miss the sell or maybe I'll miss the buy, but I will wait if I get confused. When market was around there, that was absolutely clear, no confusion. When there is no confusion, I'm good to go. But if I'm confused, I will wait. If you have the confusion about order block and breaker block, what can I do, brother? Because I talked about this order block and breaker block in my Discord for last like 2 hours, maybe half an hour ago. I talked about this for 2 hours continuously. Not 2 hours, I mean, I'm just telling you, like 30 minutes or half an hour, like 30-40 minutes. I keep talking about that order block and the breaker block. I was talking to Slate. So if you ask me to go with all of these things again, it is little weird for me. Okay. Hey Nar, how are you, brother? 841. Why you mark that imbalance? Please explain. What is that? 841. Where is 841 imbalance? I didn't mark anything from 841. This is that 841. I didn't mark anything over there. Hey Ahmadumed, Ahmadumed, how are you, brother? I'm just confused. Is this the 50% middle range fair value gap, or this is the 50% middle fair value? I mean, range middle fair value gap. I am confused. I'm not going to go for the trade. Simply, I will just let that go. It doesn't mean that it will always give me the clear indication that it is going to hold the price. If it doesn't do that, I'm not going to do that. Are you bearish like yesterday? Sir, I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish. Today is Friday. In Friday, market doesn't need to be one-sided. It will stay inside the weekly range. Let me show you that. If you go to the weekly chart, not the weekly chart actually, here. Go to your Sunday. Where is the Sunday? Sunday. Yeah, that is a Sunday. So this is the low. Now this is the low of this week. This is the high of this week. I want to see market will stay in between these two range. This high over here, that high, that low. It will stay inside this range. If it is too high, it will fall again. If it is too low, it will go higher again. Something like that. Did you stop streaming? If not 100 likes, just stop. Now, Peter, if you tell me to stop, I'll just simply, close my stream without any time, any kind of hesitation. Without any kind of hesitation, I'll just stop the stream. But why you are saying me to stop? Did you stop streaming if not 100? Oh, okay, 100 likes. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. If not 100 likes, I'll just stop streaming. Thank you, sir. How many likes did I get actually? 90 likes. I just need 10 more likes. I hope that I'll get it. Hey, Stephen. How are you, brother? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will just give them 4 minutes, okay? 9:15. Around 9:15, if it's not 100 likes, I'll close my stream. Straight away. 9:15, okay? Exactly 9:15, I'll close my streaming. If it is not 100 likes. As you told. I don't keep. And get ready. I'll start streaming around to my Discord. So yeah, I will start streaming to my Discord. Just let me know if it is 100 likes or not. I don't give a shit. What I was talking about, I forgot. Okay, I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish. I'm in range bound, weekly range bound. Okay, 100, great. Oh, okay, I got it. That's cool. Thank you, sir. Or your how are you, brother? This LGBT is going to for 100% gay viewers. What's that? It's 120. Thank you, Sivat. Thanks, man. Okay, thank you so much. For me, no entry is valid until 9:30. So when I'll go for the trade, let me clear one more time as some of you join later. Today I'm not explaining the price action. Today I'm just trading. So this is my first trade for today. One winning trade. I will stop when I will hit 4 losing trade. For example, the second one is my winning trade as well. Third one is my winning trade as well. I'll keep pushing my button. Whenever I will get the opportunity, I'll push my button and I will stop after either 40 handle or 4 losing trade. Then I will stop. Are you threatening us? Who is threatening you, brother Rojas? I'm not threatening anyone. Oh man. Oh, I'm an angry bird. I know that, sir. I know that, sir. Here, how do you suggest to work one discipline? It's my downfall every time. I just told the same slate today. I would love to repeat this thing to you one more time. This is just for practice. Okay, so you can make your own thing and then you can practice it. Oh, by the way, I got 8,600 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I mean, if you are with me in my Twitter, sorry, in my Discord, congratulations. If you are not over there, just take a screenshot. Okay, just take a screenshot. Where is that announcement here? Okay, just take a screenshot of this thing. Best setup rules, and you will practice this. Thank you, Outlander. Thank you so much, brother. CNC, just for today, brother. Today I would love to trade my trading. I would love to trade today. Okay, so I'm feeling like I'm alone. I'm not doing the live streaming. I'm just alone. I'm doing my trading. That's all I will do today. Let me clear the rules. By buy setup, sell setup will be vice versa. So the brother who asked me about the question, this is, try this one for 1 month, just for 1 month. That means 20 days. It will change your whole habit, the way you are trading. It will remove everything if you can do this just for 20 days continuously. If there is a 15-minute relatively equal highs, here you can see I have this 15-minute relatively equal highs around this area. 15-minute relatively equal highs. If there is not there, sorry, here 15-minute relatively equal highs, market will take sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart. Remember, you are not in 1-minute chart, you are in 15-minute chart. Market will take sell side liquidity. That sell side liquidity can be a single swing low or relatively equal lows. Any of them, there is no problem. But 15-minute relatively equal highs, it can't be single swing high. It has to be relatively equal highs. But when market will fall and take the liquidity, it can be a single swing low or relatively equal lows from 15-minute chart and will start to go up from a 15-minute or hourly fair value gap. That fair value gap should be the entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. Remember, this is all happening in 15-minute chart. If you are confused, ask me the question and tell me which number you didn't understand. Okay, the up run will be displacement and will make a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. It doesn't need to have a market structure shift. It has to have a displacement, one candle boom with a bullish fair value gap. I'm giving you the bullish example, you will think the vice versa, I mean for the sell setup. Then price will be back to that bullish fair value gap before taking the buy side liquidity. That means the number one, there will be 15-minute relatively equal highs. That is your buy side liquidity. So price has to come back again to this bullish fair value gap before taking that number one. Okay, 15-minute relatively equal highs. There can be two gap. When price will be back in bullish gap, that means if there is two gap, then obviously when market will be in the entry fair value gap, start to look for buy setup from 1-minute chart. If no buy setup creates from entry gap, that is 15-minute entry fair value gap, then wait to price reach to 15-minute last bullish fair value gap. Again, start to look for buy setup from 1-minute chart. So you will start to look for buy setup when market will be, if there is two bullish fair value gap, when it will be in the entry gap, you will start to look for a buy setup. If no, then wait until 15-minute last fair value gap has been traded, then start to look for buy setup again from 1-minute chart. You have to mark 1-minute relatively equal highs, not single high. 1-minute relatively equal highs. Below that 15-minute extreme liquidity, that means number one, below that liquidity, you have to mark the 1-minute relatively equal highs. If no 1 minute buy side liquidity, then you can use the 1 minute last parallel gap. That is acceptable. Setup is your 22 YT model. That means market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction. Go for that. Entry will be valid if it is an immediate reaction. Okay, so keep that in your mind. If every single rules are matched, then you will go for the trade. Practice this for 20 days. Just for 20 days. It will change your habit, the way you are trading. Like you feel that I have to take the entry or something, whatever you are feeling, over trading, everything will be changed if you just follow these things. And trust me, this is the best setups which will work for every single one of you, because this is the base of ICT concepts. This is the base of ICT concepts. Trust me, practice is 20 days. I promise you, brother, you are not going to get more than 2 to 3 setup in a week. That means 5 days. If you keep watching the market in London session, sorry, not London session, New York AM session and PM session, you will get maximum 2 to 3 trades in a week. That means out of 5 days at your beginning. But when you will be older, you will keep seeing this setup here and there. You will keep seeing this, but at your beginning you will see this thing. All of this rule has matched maybe maximum 2 to 3 times, sometimes 4 times, sometimes 1 times in 1 week. Okay, just take a screenshot. If you are not with me in my Discord, just take a screenshot. Okay, and practice is just for 20 days. I promise you, brother, you won't be able to do that. I challenged you. But if you can prove me wrong, you will be profitable. Nobody can stop you. If you can prove me wrong, that brother, you told me that I won't be able to do that. I won't be able to strict with following all that rules you have told for 1 month. If you can prove me that wrong, I'm wrong. That means you have finished 20 days, 20 trading days. Strictly follow those rules. You will be profitable. Nobody will be able to stop you. You will be profitable. That is my guarantee. If you are not profitable, come back to me and just tell me. I will stop everything. This is open challenge. But you won't be able to do that, because after maybe 3 to 4 days, you will say bullshit. I want to push my button over there. That rules doesn't match. I don't give a shit. I would love to push my button. After maximum 2 to 3 days, you will be failed. A lot of people has already tried this. Trust me, brother. But it will change your habit. It will change your everything. For the rules, make a checklist and stop being gay. Why you guys started that gay word? I really don't know. By the way, I have touched that 8,600 subscriber. Did you notice, guys? Join our committee of traders Discord link. Oh, thank you, Tamimi, for providing the Discord link. Thank you so much, brother. Please tell about number 2. What was in number 2? Market will take sell side liquidity, can be a single swing low, relatively equal lows from 15-minute chart and start to go up from a 15-minute hourly gap. Okay, this is that I am talking about. Let me find. This is the 15-minute chart. Okay, so in this 15-minute chart, look over here. Exactly the thing I told. First, you will mark 1 minute. Let me actually use the replay mode. Exactly there. Okay, let's go. I'm sorry, I have still some times. I mean, for 9:30, so I can go for that. Look over here. First rule: you have to have the buy side liquidity. What is your buy side liquidity? This high and that high, relatively equal highs. You have the buy side liquidity. You have to have the buy side liquidity. When you will have the buy side liquidity from 15-minute chart, you will wait to see, can market take the liquidity. That means it can take a single low, or it can take relatively equal lows, or it can, I mean, anything. It has to take either a single swing low, not sideways candle low, swing low. Like over here, it has taken that low. Then it has to reach until entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart or hourly chart. I don't support hourly chart, I prefer 15-minute chart only. Okay, so in that specific leg over here, you can see this is the last fair value gap, this is the entry fair value gap. It has traded, it has tapped to this entry fair value gap. What do you have? Buy side liquidity. It has tapped to this entry fair value gap. When it has taken the liquidity, now what should you wait for? A bull move, a bull move with a bullish fair value gap. That's all you need. So let's wait. No, there is no trade for you. No trade, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. Let's wait. I don't know. Okay, it didn't provide me here, but here has to be a bullish fair value gap. For example, this is your bullish fair value gap. This is just for the sake of this video. For example, this is your bullish fair value gap. Then you will wait to price reach to this bullish fair value gap. If you have two fair value gap, then the upper one is the entry fair value gap like this. This is the last fair value gap. Over here, when it will be in the bullish fair value gap, you will be in the 1 minute chart. In 1 minute chart, you will wait for the 22 YT model. What is that? Did market take the liquidity? Now, for example, it has taken the liquidity here. This is your market structure shape, fair value gap, immediate reaction. Within 3 candle, it has to trade the immediate, trade that fair value gap. Below that extreme liquidity, you will have to have, was that extreme liquidity? I guess, yeah, that was the extreme liquidity. You have to have some kind of 1 minute liquidity. So for example, here, if you take the entry over there, you have some kind of relatively equal highs here. Let me mark it. That is your relatively equal, that high and that high, they're relatively equal highs over there. Okay, you have to have the relatively equal highs, or you have to have the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart, something like that, that 1 minute last fair value gap. So I will take my entry over here. I'll close my trade to that 1 minute liquidity. It is too near actually, and as you know, I'm just giving you an example, that's all. It is too near, but here, for the first time, when market came here to this entry fair value gap from 15 minute chart, no sir, you are not looking for buy over there, you are waiting for a bullish fair value gap over there from 15 minute chart. Then it will come back again to this bullish fair value gap, then you will start to look for the buy setup from 1 minute chart. Okay, is that clear? It should be clear. It's not something very confusing or okay. We noticed. Congrats guy, thank you so much. OP, overpowered, big mode, thanks brother. Clear, you're most welcome. Thanks for the clarification brother, you're most welcome. Now I was confused which one is going to be the fair value gap, but as you see, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, range 50% fair value gap, hold it, sell side liquidity has taken. Study this. Thousands, not $1,000,000 information, brother. Nobody is going to help you how to find the direction by using the fair value gap. Nobody is going to give you that. That same logic I used over there to take my entry. The same logic. I'm not trading here because it is 9 to 9:30. Otherwise, I would go for the trade here. See this fair value gap over there? That is my entry over there. For example, I was inside the inside the session about there, or maybe yeah, somewhere here under this sell side liquidity. That was my trade from this fair value gap, market structure shift fair value gap, or inversion fair value gap over there. The same thing I have used over there, inversion fair value gap, same thing. Boom, study it, brother. Earth scoop, lol, maybe. What is that? Manu, if you don't know, get someone that know. Don't mock people trying to learn. What happened? I didn't mock anyone. Please don't misunderstand me, okay? Sometimes I use some bad word you don't like, maybe, but I don't use it intentionally because my English is not my first language, so I can be, I mean, it can be hurt, but I have no intention to hurt you, brother. So please make sure that you're not going to get hurt by my word. I'm talking about ICT. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, that's cool. Hey, good morning, Indian fashion, swing, boutique. Don't call Buro. I'm okay, okay. I have already developed my chat psychology. Big difference today between NQ and yes, YM news scandal reached Asia high, but thick NQ not reach only mid of the range. There is something wrong. You remember? Something is wrong over here, so far I remember. That should be corrected. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't want to talk about the price action today. Oh, why you guys are forcing me? I'm not interested to talk about the price action. I want to trade only. So there you go, our 9:30. Not the first fair will go after 9:30. I thought that will be the first fair will go after 9:30. Slate, remember? I really don't know who else was with me around that Discord live. I only remember Slate names, that's why I'm just calling his name because I have already talked about everything over here. If you remember Slate, what did I say about this console engrossment? That constant encroachment is going to determine is market going higher or is it going to fall again. Remember I told 839 candle parabolic gap worked as trap parabolic gap. No sir, it can't be the trap parabolic gap. If you would love to look for the trap parabolic gap, that will be the trap parabolic gap, and market didn't go higher, so it is not the trap parabolic gap. Yes sir, you're too close. Not exactly, but yeah, something like that. Just need to focus on the price, otherwise you'll blame me. I'm little sick guys, so you can hear some sound. I'm so sorry for that. Catch cold, I mean cold catch me, and I have just nothing to do. Yes sir, 10 o'clock we have a news. For the guys who actually joined me later, today I'm not explaining any price action. I'm just doing my trading. So I'm feeling like I'm alone. I'm not doing the live streaming. I'm just trading my trade. I will keep pushing button until it hits my 4 losing trade or 40 handle loss. When I will hit 40 handle loss, I will stop over there. Until then, I will go every trade I will see is tradable. I'll go for every trade. So far I have pushed one button until now. Fortunately that was a winning trade. Netcab is, I mean, I have spent it near about 1 hour today to my Discord to explaining that. It's not the first parallel gap. I didn't get my first parallel gap yet. My next relatively equal loss is over here. Until now, my next relatively equal loss is here. Except this one, I don't have any other sell side liquidity, any other relatively equal loss. No other relatively equal loss. I have some here. I don't see this one as my relatively equal loss. I'd love to use only this one as my sell side liquidity until now. But if it can come little lower of that low, maybe 5 handle near that low, yeah, I will have another relatively equal loss. Until now, I don't have any other relatively equal loss. Oh no, it's not. Oh man. Now I would love to call Budo because of Manu. Budo should tell something to Manu, okay? You're breathing heavily like you already in a trade. Okay, brother. When I actually keep quiet, then you will listen my breathing sound. I just tell me I will move it. Okay. Just tell me, can you hear my breathing sound or not now? Okay. Can you hear the breathing sound? It's quiet now. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. It's because of the position of my microphone. I'm so sorry. I don't feel deep breathe when I'm in trade. I'm all okay. Yeah, you guys have to tell me that whenever you will listen that breathing sound, you have to tell me that. I'll just move it. It's better to hear how than not hear a thing like ICT. Why you are so angry on ICT, brother? What has it? What he has done? When ICT do the rant, most of the time he leaves some small gems inside his rant. Okay. Now I know that a lot of you will argue with me and you will tell me bullshit, but it's true. If you listen carefully his rant, most of the time what ICT actually do, he leave small gem inside that rant, and that gems are awesome. It's going down. Oh man, I have to turn my volume to 100% and it's still hard to hear him talking. Oh, okay. That is different matter. I mean, I guess he has some problem with his microphone, like I had previously. That's something I think he will fix it. Can you do it, Outlander? Outlander, can you do it, brother? Lucky it was a short stream. Oh man, that was a nice offer, actually, Jack. Let's see what Outlander is going to say. It is okay to trade Friday. If you are able to not to trade Friday, that's the best case of scenario, brother. Because Friday is the mental capital preservation day where most of the people blow their account. So it's the best idea. Not, I mean, that is my opinion again. Friday is hard for me to trade. Extremely hard for me to trade. Absolutely. New public for me at 50-second chart. Let's pay attention on 1 minute chart and see if we get one there. Okay. I blow 2 account in the Friday. Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not going to say that it's hard because a lot of people will show you that Friday price action is too beautiful to them. For me, personally, for me, I'm afraid to trade Friday. Even if it is the best price action, I'm afraid to trade Friday. ICT gives all this for free, but people are happy to pay $1,000 for courses to learn fair value gap. He never had to give a seat at his table for all, but he has. Hi, can you please send link to video that explains how to use fair value gap? No, sir, I didn't record it. I mean, yeah, maybe next time I will talk about this again to my Discord. Just remember, remind me when I'm in Discord live. Remind me, okay? I will explain it again. But here in live, I don't want to do that because I'm reading the price action in live. That's why. And I didn't record it, so I really don't know how to. I'm a noob about the Discord. Tamimi, Outlander, the AFX, they're the boss over there. Yes, sir. Market reversed from 50-minute anti-fair value gap. I didn't get my first fair value gap after 9:30 yet. So if any of you are thinking this is the first fair value gap after 9:30, you can use it, and as you can see, it worked perfectly. Here, this is the first fair value. I just didn't get my one. That's why I didn't mark it. By the way, I can see that there is 228 people are watching. The day I will see there is 400 people are watching, don't even try to copy my trade because I'll be nervous over there. I don't know why, but if I see a lot of people, I get nervous sometimes. Not sometimes, most of the times. So at the beginning, I'm just talking. I mean, I'm talking bullshit right now because I'm waiting for the first Farewell Cup. And if I don't get the first Farewell Cup before 10, I'm not looking any kind of entry opportunity before 10 as I have the news around 10. So if I get first Farewell Cup, I'll go for the first Farewell Cup entry. Even if it is the around the news time, I'll go for that. Without first Farewell Cup entry, I'm not looking for any kind of price action over here. Okay, so keep that in your mind. So at the beginning when I started my streaming, I remember the first day I had 17 viewers, 17 people watching. I was so nervous, and that day then I was used to with that 17, 20, 25 people. I was used to. Then suddenly one day I got 50 people were watching me. Yeah, I got confused again. I mean, I messed up everything. The day I have found 100 people, I messed up again. 200 people, messed up again. Now I'm used to with 200, 300 people, but if it is 400, 500 people, I messed up. So make sure that if it is a huge people, I will be messed up in that specific day. And you're not going to judge me in that specific day, please. I'm with you when you have 10, 15 people. Oh, you are with me, guessing. Oh, thank you, mom. I really don't remember the first people who were with me around the first streaming. 1st October in 2023. I just remember 17 people was the extreme. So 17 people were watching. That was the peak. Do you know CRT strategy? That's bullshit. I'm so sorry to say. Maybe you are trading CRT. If you are trading, I'm so sorry, brother. But CRT candle range theory is bullshit. I waste my time. That's why I can't hear that name. It has wasted my time. I hate it. I was here in September 2023, but my first streaming was 1st of October 2023. Yes, 2023, I think, is the same month when I find your October or November. Oh, okay. I was here last year as well. Costa Godwin. Yeah, I know. I remember your name, Costa. I don't remember Imam your name. Sorry, but George was there. I remember George's name. Costa. Yeah, you were there. So I remember your name as well. Yeah. This macro entry is not valid as you have a news. So if you didn't watch the macro rules, then you will ask for that. But if you have already watched the macro rules, you know that this macro is not valid because you have a news around 10. Nicola, you are with me for so long now. Some of your name are actually I remember exactly because some of you are with me for so long and I keep repeating your name. That's why I remembered your name. Gupta, I don't remember your name, brother, to be honest. I'm so sorry for that. Maybe you are not commenting, something like that. I don't know what happened to this market. No fast travel after 9:30. Why it's not valid? What are you talking about? Gupta, I really don't remember, brother. Maybe you are not commenting over there. That's why I don't remember. You are a shy guy. I don't want to comment. Like Peter, FX. They're very shy. Been here in since 2838 subscribers. GJ, I remember your name, brother. I mean, I'm repeating your name for so long now. We crossed 8,600 subscribers today. Yes, sir. Sorry, yes, ma'am. I'm lucky that I have crossed 600 subscribers today. 9:35 farewell cap is not a farewell cap. It's a farewell cap. It's not a first presented farewell cap after 9:30, according to my rules. It's not the first farewell cap as well. The first presented Travel Cup after 9:30, it has to be at least 5 handle. That's why that is not my first presented Travel Cup after 9:30, sir. By the way, don't look at the Apex and Bluenox offer because they are not valid. I forgot to change it, okay? But the Take Profit Trader, which is 50% off, it is valid. I mean the My Funded Futures, it is also valid. $76 for 50k account, it's valid. Then the fast track trading, you will get the link, and if you need the coupon code, you can ask to the comment box. They will help you for the coupon. That means the offer, okay? They'll help you, but make sure that you have used that link. It's a combine. I mean, there is no combine or challenge, direct funding. If any of you are interested about fast track trading, you can ask to the comment box. There are some experts, Propfirm experts. They will help you. Is this bullshit price? Yes, sir. So far, it is bullshit. After 9:30, it's bullshit. So far, because we have a news around 10. It's a medium impact news, but still that is a news. So that's why it's bullshit. Looking for 5 handle fast fair value gap. It's been a long. I don't talk about the fast fair value gap. I can't focus on everything. Oh, you are asking first presented fair value gap. I thought you were talking about first fair value gap, where you don't need the market structure sheet. Did you guys remember first fair value gap entry where you don't need the market structure sheet? Maybe after next week I'll go for that first fair value gap entry only. Like to this week, last 3 days I'm going for macro entry, something like that. Is straight. If you go to Forex Factory, you will see that whatever news you will have there, and it is calendar. See forexfactory.com, forexfactory.com/calendar. Over here you'll be able to see all the news. Have you heard of the new firm that launched October 8th, Profit Trader? 8th Profit Trader. The discounts seem to be the best available right now. I didn't heard about it, but what is that name? 8th Profit Trader. I need to. I mean, I have to make sure that someone got the payout from there. Otherwise, I can't recommend that. So I need that first. Oh, Profit Trader. Okay. Are you from Kolkata, sir? No, sir, I'm not from Kolkata. I'm from Bangladesh, sir. Bangladesh. I hope that you know Bangladesh because it is now well-known country all over the world because of the student protest a few days ago. Yes, Manu, you are right, brother. This is bullshit price action so far. I agree with you. ঠিক আছে. Bro, thought you were a Kolkata Bengali. Oh no, I'm not from Kolkata. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you like cricket, brother? I love cricket. I don't like cricket. I love cricket. Hello, Avneet Singh. How are you, brother? Yes, sir. I play cricket. I'm a top order batsman and a fast bowler. It's been long. I don't play cricket. I mean, near about 3 years. I don't play it. I'm now old. Okay, I'm older now. Hey, Bangladeshi brother, how are you? More popular because of uh, Mahmouda Mufti's Exodus. Okay, I didn't know that. I was in Israel, Bangladesh T20. No, sir. It's been a long. I don't play the cricket. I don't watch the cricket because of the politics. The politics when it came into the cricket, I stopped watching them. You like Virat Kohli? Yeah, I like him. He's one of the best. I mean, not one of the best. I think he's the best now. After Sachin Tendulkar, the Virat is the best. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Yeah, yeah. You remember Bradley? I mean, he was my one of the. I mean, most favorite bowler. My team is Bangladesh, then Pakistan. Pakistan. I support Pakistan actually. I'm so sorry to say that, but yeah, Pakistan is my second favorite team, and then third favorite team is South Africa, then Australia, then India. Yeah, something like that. I mean, I don't dislike India, but the thing is, India. India is awesome. Whenever we play with them, I mean, they're the best team, one of the best team all over this world. So we get lost. That's why we don't like. Okay, so this is the new scandal. You can see the new scandal over here. Until now, I didn't get the first farewell cup after 9:30, so I'm not interested to do anything. Let's see what is going to happen. Delestein, yep, brother, he was awesome. Delestein is awesome. It is not valid as well. First farewell. Why is my first farewell after 9:30? Are you kidding, brother? Are you seriously kidding? No, sir, I'm not watching the cricket right now. I'm watching the chart. Almost every time I watch the chart for last 3 years, I don't have any time to do anything else except doing this chart. So I'm spending at 80% of my time in front of this chart. 80% of my time I'm spending by watching this chart. I don't have any time to do anything else. Let's hope for the best. This is the last time. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Don't think that this guy is trying to mark something and he doesn't know what he's going to do. Brother, I'm trying to mark the first family. That's all, okay? Nothing else. I'm just trying to mark the first family cup. So far, it's bullshit. I don't know where is Manu. I need Manu now. Manu, where are you, brother? There is no market structure shift. There is nothing because market where it will go, it didn't decide yet. So from 15-minute chart, you can see it has to decide where it will go first. then we'll be able to look for the market structure sheet. Your first time frame is over here. So far you can see market has taken all the sell side liquidity. It has the buy side liquidity here. This is the buy side liquidity, that is the buy side liquidity. It has the buy side liquidity. I'm not looking any kind of lower market structure shift right now. I'm not looking for them. Okay. Yes, brother, same feeling here. Yeah, Manu, I was missing you, brother. Looks like 9:30 fair value, first fair value gap was 9. No, sir, it's not the first fair value gap. According to my observation, it has to have 5 handle gap, at least 5 handle gap. It can make the first fair value gap around 12. I don't care about that. If you remember last day, the first fair value gap appeared on the chart around 10:13. So it doesn't mean that I have to force the market to make it as my first fair value gap. I don't need it. See this dotted line? That is the 50% of that week, which is important. That is going to tell me, is market going to fall or is it going higher again? Until this constant encroachment is not broken, I'm not looking for sell. It has to be broken. I'm looking for buy only. Buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. Okay, sir? I hope you got the point. Hmm. The algo has known we are waiting for first farewell cup. FX, are you there, brother? So quiet today. I mean, I don't know if you are here or not. How long have you been trading ICT concepts? It's a very personal question. Why you are asking me that question, brother? Crypto, are you here? Did you get any entry, brother? Crypto, why you are asking me that question? That's a very personal question. I don't want to reveal my personal things. Shitty price action. Yes, sir. That is not 4 or 5 and no. Well, good. ঠিক আছে. ঠিক আছে. Are you from Bangladesh, brother? I'll ask kidding, brother. I'm trading ICT for near about 3 years. Now, please don't leave me without me, please. It is unfair. This is unfair. Slade, do you remember what did I say about this concurrent crossment? Did I ask you this question? If I asked, I'm sorry, but I really don't remember. Did I ask you this? Remember, I told that if this concurrent crossment of that specific week is broken, that is going to tell me that market is going to fall, as I don't have the middle range fair value gap. If it is not broken, I'm still bullish for that buy side liquidity. Net can now close the chart. Now just close the chart because you got your first fair value gap. Now I don't have any opportunity to entry. I mean take the entry. For example, you have seen that I got that first fair value gap. It didn't give me that entry, so I just remove this one. I will wait to see if it will again or not. This is not possible to enter from here. No setup can give me the entry over here to catch that move. Not even a single setup. Yes, sir. That is that buy side liquidity. That is my target. I'm not watching E-mini S&P. I'm not watching 15-second chart, 30-second chart. Week to see 50-minute fair value gap, then week to top of the 50-minute fair value gap. Repeats. Can happen. So far, this is my target. This buy side liquidity. Then I'll decide how this last fair value gap is going to work. If it is broken, then that buy side liquidity will be my target. Can happen, Manu. Can happen. We'll see, Ben. Guys, I need a break, a little break. I have to take a Panadol because now I'm feeling very sick. Okay, so I will just take a Panadol. I have to go to another room to bring that Panadol. Then I'll be back. Just within 2 minutes, I'll be back. I'm back. Yes, sir. Manu, I don't look at this last 5 look from 15 minute chart. I'm not looking at this last 5 look from 15 minute chart. I'm seeing this buy side liquidity that has to be taken. So I can have some kind of reaction from there. Lot of job has unfinished over there. So can it come back again to finish some unfinished job before expanding higher again? So it can give me any kind of reaction. I don't need to look for those type of bearish 5 look over there. Okay. I'm not going to chase the price. That means if it keep going higher, I'm not going to chase it. Yes, sir. Crypto. Yes, sir. Anybody took any entry today? I mean, real money entry? Anybody? If you take it, let me know. Is it a winning trade or a losing trade? Because I was unable to find a setup over here until now. Yes, okay, Sresh, you took a long win. The schoolman. I did trade for the day. Oh, okay, Manu. Yes, to win the school. Nabin, no macro setup now. Now, right now, you're asking for macro. This is not the macro time. Only in 15 seconds. That's the school. Possible break around 5 minute and 50-minute charts. I don't look 5 minute charts, sir. Not yet. Oh, okay. Yes, real money only $100. It's cool. Still, you're in profit. No trade day. No trade. Today's capital preservation day. That's cool, man. I love you. I took 2 trades in gold. Both target hit. Congratulations, Sharada. Entered from 3:33 5 minutes CSD. I don't see 5 minute chart. Yes, long on 15-minute CB inverted. Confident when 3 minutes CB inversed. Okay, I don't see the 3 minute chart as well. Yes, one sell win. That's cool. I took the macro trade and got stopped out after you said not to trade it. Lol. Okay, you didn't maybe focus on the rules. If there is a news, no macro entry is valid. I took one trade from first presented travel cap from 25 handle. It was a win. I didn't get the first presented travel cap entry yet. Already in one long since 950 macros. Small profit super. It was gambling Chris G because we had a news around 10. Done for the week. Now I will chill and vibe. Congratulations, brother. Okay, some of you got winning trade, some of you got losing trade, some of you didn't take entry. That's cool. I told that I will take 4 losing trade, and today I'm not getting on even one entry opportunity even. What the hell, man? Aditya, that's why I just opened 2 minute chart to look for that. Can I catch that fall if it fall? Otherwise, I'm not going to chase this price. I have no intention to chase this price. ICT is in live yet, or he has done his live? ICT finished, has done. Was short stream. Oh, okay, that's cool. ICT is busy booking people. One tweet. Oh, man. No, if you are with ICT in 2023, you know what happened with ICT, right? A lot of people threaten him and his family, openly threat them. Okay, so if ICT poke now, I don't see anything bad. I mean, you know, I'm done with ICT. He's crying. People are complaining. Volume audio is low. Come on. I think Outlander should send a microphone like he sent one to me. He's the most. I'm not really assault. Okay, I don't want to talk about this. What's wrong with pointing out audio is bad? Nothing is wrong. I mean, yeah, the way I think uh, Outlander should send something to him as well, as he has sent me. You wanna change the price? Go for that. I'm not interested. The buy side liquidity has tagged my Discord family who are with me in my Discord. They knows that my target was today this buy side liquidity. That was my bias. So when you guys were asking me about my bias, I didn't talk about anything about the bias. I just say I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. If it go higher, I'll go for sell. If it go lower, I will go for buy. That was my buy side liquidity. That was my target for today. It has been heated over there, but it just didn't give me any entry opportunity. That's all. I told specifically, I talked about this concurrent crossment. Let me show you. In my Discord live around the PM, London session, I talked specifically about this concurrent crossment. I also talked about the mean threshold of the order block. So let me mark the order block mean threshold. This is the high and this is the low. If you mark that on, this is that mean threshold of that order block. One candle closed below this mean threshold, another candle closed above the mean threshold. Fake breakout. Should not close below this concurrent crossment. Body didn't close over there. Trade that entry fair value gap concurrent crossment. I didn't need this one. Simply this concurrent crossment of that specific week is enough for me to look for my bias. That was my buy side liquidity. It hit it. It just hit it. Simply. Without me, it didn't give me entry opportunity. That doesn't mean I'm going to cry. It just didn't give me the entry opportunity. That's all. Now I will wait to see if this last fair value gap is broken. If this last fair value gap is broken, this is my next target. That buy side liquidity will be my next target. If it is not broken, I'll look for bear again. I mean, not bear because I don't have the sell side liquidity. But yeah, I'll stay over here. I'm not going to trade or maybe a small scalp without bias. I'll send him a straight jacket. I understand Tito doesn't like him as a human. Yes, sir. I mean, because of he's the mentor. I should not talk about him because this is his life, his rules. He is a great mentor and he's awesome. Whatever information he has provided to this community, it is worthless. I mean, I don't have, I can't say that how much money I can pay him for the things he has provided. But as a human, whatever he has done, it's not correct. Like the way some specific things he does actually, it's not ethical. If I give you an example, you will understand. Okay, in my comment, I have a lot of people over here, right? Now, if I ignore all of your comment and keep replying one guy only, for example, I'm just replying to AFX because of anything, okay, anything because of anything. I should not specifically tell why is that. But if I keep saying replying AFX and if I ignore all other people, if I keep saying that AFX is all the best, okay, he's the best, nobody's, I mean, he's the best, please, whatever you are doing, AFX is the best, always I keep praising him. How do you feel? Like, should I do that? Should I do that? You will give me the decision. No, I'm not saying that you will ask me, brother praised me. No, I can't praise any of you, specifically any of you. I can praise you personally, but in public I can't do that. I should not do that. I'm not going to do that, by the way. I'm not talking about other streamers. I was talking about ICT. I have all the complaint against ICT only because he is my mentor. That's why I can complain him, or I can have the complaint against him because he is my mentor. I don't have any problem with any other YouTubers. Whatever they will do, they will do. It's their life, their choice. But I will keep complaining ICT until he won't play his role as a mentor. He's my mentor. He's other YouTubers mentor, other ICT students mentor. He's the mentor of all of our mentor. So yeah, I don't like that things, because if you are my mentor, if you are my teacher, you have to be fair to all of your students. It's cool. I also do that. But as I told, he's my mentor, so I can complain. He is my mentor. That's why I'm not complaining to anyone else, or I don't have any complaint against other people. As I told, I keep listening. When I took that entry, I was listening on YouTuber when he was trading this Asian session. Just so fun to listen to him, okay? To be honest, I mean, I don't want to reveal the name. So his target was the liquidity here. That low was his target. He was thinking that market is going to trade this low. Now my target was this relatively equal highs, because that was the liquidity. I was looking for buy, and you know that I took the buy from there, and it has given me the partial here. It has given me the partial, then it didn't take the extreme liquidity. That liquidity has taken right now. But I was listening to him, and he was saying like that way, okay, when price came here, he's saying if now market should fall for that liquidity. So when he saw this, and then suddenly that move, he say now it is going for that buy side liquidity. Then he saw this one. Oh man, it was like so awesome to listen to him. And ICT actually told him, I mean, about him, he's one of the best student, okay, something like that. um, I was thinking, what should I do? Should I take sell? Should I take buy? Should I take sell? Should I take buy? I was thinking like that way. Okay, so when he saw all of this price action, I wasn't, yeah, I wasn't here actually. I was until that area. I was listening, then I got sleep until around this area. I don't remember. So far I remember around this candle. When he saw this candle, he told I need speed, and suddenly this candle appeared over there. He said, see, now it is going to work with the lower portion. Nobody is going to close above the lower portion. Then market is going to fall. Then this candle appeared. This candle opened above the 50%. He told, okay, now it opened above that. It doesn't matter until it is not going to close over there. It closed over there. He said, now it is going to take that high. That was his initial high. Then he saw this run. He said, I mean, he was expecting this is going to take that high. It didn't take it. It closed below this parabolic gap again. He was going to sell again for this low. Something like that. I mean, I don't have the complaint. It can happen. I mean, everyone has their own perspective of this market. But ICT can't say that T2 is the best student. He should not say like that way. And that's why I have the all complaint against him. Okay, to UT2 for learning ICT. I have been going through ICT 2022 mentorship. It's too hard. Please stick with it. No word to say, brother. I learned it from him. See TTO lines. What is TTO lines, brother? You are my best, bro. Thank you, Sharada. Thanks, brother. Brother or sister? I don't remember. Sharada. I guess brother. You are using your wife's IT or something like that, if I'm not wrong. So far I remember. Today open. Oh, okay. Today open. See today open line. Okay, I don't need to see that today open line because it is less than 8 handle. That's why I didn't mark it. Just watch T2 videos. You're right, brother. Yeah. So my brain is not bad. Brother, I really don't have anything. That's why I'm just talking bullshit. I'm just talking about bullshit. Right now, I don't have anything. Okay, I just told I'm going to take 4 losing trade. But until now, I didn't even get one single entry opportunity. So what can I do? I mean, whatever is happening here, I can't frame a buy setup because it's changing price. I'm not interested to chase the price. I can't look for a sell until there is a bearish fabrica from 15-minute chart. At the same time, if I would love to look for a buy it has to break this last favorable gap. So I really don't have anything to talk about the price action until price show me something. I can't go for that. I know the guy. Don't reveal the name, man. He's awesome, okay? He's awesome. I mean, just don't reveal his name, because otherwise it will be controversy again. I don't want any kind of controversy. He is good. He is absolutely good. But the problem creates when he uses his good things for his business purpose. If I want to sell, I have to sell my product. This is my problem. I don't want to waste your money. I mean, all of you are my brother, right? Sister, you are my brother, you are my sister. I can't take your money. I can't do that. If anyone do that, I will go against them. This is all for free. If you want to teach it free. Because you are so good. So please teach it free. No worries. You wanna sell the signal? Like I will push my button, okay? And that is gonna be, I'm so good. So if I push my button, I'm going to get the winning trade most of the time. Not always, but most of the time. Yeah, you can sell your signal. There is no problem. But if you start to sell the course that is free, I have a problem. Because I'm also studying the same concepts you are selling. That's why it's my problem. Tito, I have to say that there are many ICT traders out there live streaming, but those do not have any idea what they do. I have huge respect for you for doing this for free with this amount of knowledge. Okay, I don't have the knowledge actually. To be honest, I know nothing about this price action. I'm learning. I'm learning and I'm sharing just my understanding. That's all. And I can't take the money from you. I will take the money from you. You earn 200k? Earn it. I'll ask you, brother, give me $10,000. You will give me that with happiness, with happily you will give me that 10k, because you are able to earn another 200k. But first earn that 200k. Until then, if I ask a single dollar from you, that means I'm done of all of these things. I'm not greedy. I won't be able to give you anything. I don't care how good I am or how bad I am. I won't be able to give you anything because now I'm greedy. The greedy people are not able to provide anything to the community. In 2022, I spent near about, not exactly from 2022, I started it from end of the 2021. So from, I guess, September or October, as so far I remember. I studied these concepts for 17 months, 16, 17, 18 months, around the 17 months, every day near about 17 hours, near about 15 to 16 to 17 hours. I sleep a little. My sleeping is like 2 hours, 3 hours maximum for last 5 to 6 years. So I don't sleep more than 2 3 hours, more than 2 3 hours. The rest of the day, I have to eat, I have to take bath, shower. I mean, outside of all of these things, I studied all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Just watching this chart, watching this chart. I'm a very lazy guy. I don't do the back test. I just did back test for 3 to 4 days. Then I stopped doing back test. I always go for the forward test, forward test, forward test. I have shared my notes, some of the pages actually, to my Twitter long time ago, I guess 2 to 3 months ago. So I have already a lot of notes with them. Okay, something bad happened. Who is that? Now it is getting my nerve. I asked you this. What should I say? Should I appreciate him? I'm not going to appreciate him. Okay, to be honest, I'm not going to appreciate him. Now this is too much. He's making me greedy. Okay, so if I start to ask for the money, you will blame AFX, please. You guys will blame him because he's making me greed now. I'm sorry, I'm not going to appreciate him. It is too much now. I mean, just 3 days he has provided me $900. He has donated $900 for just for 3 days. It's too much. I'm sorry. Okay, just let it go. No, I'm not going to say thank you. Thank you to him. I want to go to Canada now. To be honest, seriously, I would love to go to Canada. I'm immature. Buro, you know that, brother. I'm immature. I don't see any of you as my viewers, as my subscriber. I think all of you are my family member. And family member appreciation is if you push the like button, that is the appreciation. See, this was for sexy accent. What can I say him? What can I say him? Word. Oh man. So as a brother, thank him for donating money. He's showing your appreciation. Okay, bro. Thank you, AFX. Okay, I'm just giving you thanks because bro told me. I respect him more than anyone here. I respect Buro more than anyone. I'm respecting every one of you, but I really respect him. Just he told me that, so I'm just giving you thanks. But I'm coming to the personal message. Just wait for it. After this stream, I'm coming over there. Tito, come on. You know he likes to mess with you. Just thank him. Okay, thank you. Thank you. See, everyone is in your side. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, okay? And wait for the DM. Oh man. I will ask money from AFX. It's not something like I'm getting angry on him. No, I'm going to ask money from him. But I just told him to wait until 200k. When you will earn that 200k, I will ask money to him. Brother, donate me 10k. Donate me 15k. I will ask money to him. Not only to him, all of you. Just give me that time, please. I mean, until 200k. That's my target. If when you guys will start earning that much money, I will say that okay, I'm successful. I didn't waste my time. I have used my time perfectly. If no, thank you. Send no. Thank you so much. AFX. Thank you so much, brother. I love you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, no DM, nothing. Thank you so much. Load shedding at AFX side after this stream. Are you looking for sale? No, sir. I'm not looking for sale. Why is that? Because there is no 50-minute bearish available. I need Manu now, actually. What should I look for? Only buy. Thank you so much to all of you for learning this concept. This is an awesome concept, brother. Just learn it, earn the money. By the way, guys, if anyone is interested to join us in our Discord, don't forget to join. Okay, if you need the link, let me know, or let us know. We will provide the link so that you will be able to join our family. Please. Yes, I think upper quadrant of opening range gap will offer us the long entry. We tap to today open. Can we look for long now? No, sir, we can't look for long now. See this parallel gap over here, a big parallel gap around that area, and we are just before the macro, just before the macro. So let macro decide what is going to happen around this macro. First, let him decide where it wants to go. Then you can look for the trade. Jack T, it's just my opinion. I am telling you this because you are my brother. So just wait for the macro after a big move. Look at this move. 90% of the time market do the consolidation. 90% of the time. Big move, consolidation. Big move, consolidation. Big move, big move, big move, big move. Now it doesn't happen like that way. Now what is happening? Thank you, Outlander. Can I give a like over there? I can. Thank you, sir, for that raid. I love that raid. The S&P at history high. Now I want some of that Aussie dollar. Stop donating all of these things, please. Outlander best friend. Top step just went down. What do you mean by that? Thanks for the penguin, sir. Trade the macro. I'm watching the macro at the same time. The macro problem is no problem. Let me check actually there is no problem or not. No, there's no problem. Okay. Don't do that. Look at the difference. It just didn't give me the entry. What can I do? Close approximately I don't like for the macro entry. It provided me 20 handle, just didn't give me the entry opportunity. Yes, sometimes it happens. But I don't like close approximate entry for macro. I want the precise entry actually. So just missed that macro entry. Just because of a little, okay. I mean, look over here. Okay, just because of a little. Okay, so for 20 to 42, the entry was 22 for 3.50, just for one handle. I missed that trade just for one handle. That was the macro entry. First market came into the macro 1050. It has taken the liquidity. Sell side liquidity has taken. Swing high has been shifted over there. Fair value gap. Trade that fair value gap will provide you 20 handle. Just didn't trade my fair value gap over here. That was wrong. I was watching this candle as well, but there was no market structure shift. That's why I was unable to take the buy from the mini S&P as well. So here I thought that it will take me next time. It just didn't take me. I know you won't write boom, but just think like that way. If it could tap to this fair value gap, what would happen? Okay, think like that way. Now it didn't give me the entry. It's okay. I'll try next macro because I know what I'm doing. Macro, I'll look for that. And in that macro, I'll get my entry. No worries. My macro is something very specific that you will need nothing at all. George, for the macro entry, I don't see anything else. It has to be very specific, very specific, very specific. Tap to this fair value gap, I'm already in the market. I'll go for that trade. If it didn't do that, I will just observe the price, nothing else. Sir, I didn't do anything. I did it this macro 1 year ago. Okay, so it's been 1 year already. I don't trade the macro. After 1 year, I'm just trading it for last 2 to 3 days just to revise so that I won't forget this thing. Okay, just because of that, I'm revising it. Otherwise, this is a human brain. I will forget that. But so far, yesterday, if you remember how beautiful the macro was, perfectly worked both of the macro in the morning session. And today, yeah, sir, this is the first time, and it didn't provide me the entry just because of one handle. I just missed that. I mean, winning trade just because of one handle. Just don't add anything to that macro. It's my request, because if you add anything to that macro rules, it will be your responsibility. If I miss it, I'll miss it. I don't give a shit. I'll look for both of this market. Whichever market will give me the entry, I'll go for that. Was that no, this is not the market structure shift, so either way I wouldn't be able to go for that. This is not the market structure shift. What happened today? Actually, it's not providing any entry opportunity. But it's fun, brother. This macro is fun. You will be bored by by taking winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. You will be bored. 10 macro was not valid because there was the news. If there is a news, no, it's not valid. Look at this entry. I missed it for a little. It didn't tap to this high. I missed that trade. I missed this trade as well because market didn't provide me that. Simple. This is that candle around 1050, sorry. It has taken that low. See this low? It has taken that low. Swing low. That is the liquidity taken. All it has to do, it has to take the liquidity, that's all. Because I explained it to that macro folder exactly what type of liquidity you are able to see to be taken. You wanna say something fun? I just told, no, not this one, sorry. From 15-minute chart, mark this fair value gap. You will see the funny thing, the best funny thing over here. It can't close below the consonant cosmet of this fair value gap. Forbidden. You're talking about this one? That was the inversion fair value gap. I marked, if you are with me in the beginning of today's stream, I marked it as an inversion fair value gap. It should work as an inversion fair value gap. It should work as an inversion fair value gap. I told this to Slate specifically. If you open at the beginning of this stream, you will see I have marked it as an inversion fair value gap. But it was a lot of line and I had to focus on this first fair value gap. That's why I just removed it from my chart. I marked it as my inversion fair value gap at the beginning of the stream. So if you open the stream at the beginning, you will see it's like just like that, just like that. And why it is the inversion fair value gap, I've already explained that to my Discord. Yes, I had that on my chart. Oh, okay. Then you know. Slate out of my long third win today. See, I can't appreciate him because he's doing his trade by himself. Should I appreciate him? Should I say, "Oh, brother, well done"? I should appreciate them who are going to give me the credit. I'm just kidding, brother. I'm just kidding. Congratulations, brother, for your third win. Yeah, if you look for buy only, you are doing it right because you know if it market should go higher. I was just kidding. Slate, you're new to here, so you may sometimes you can misunderstand me. Please don't misunderstand me, brother. I'll just keep joking. Do you come live every day and trade live? Yes, sir. I come every day, but every day is the learning session. Today was the trading session, so I was going for the trading only. I'm not explaining the price action. I'm not pushing button until I don't feel comfortable for taking entry. I'm not pushing my button. So far, I got one entry over there after the PPI. That was my own entry, and then I waited for this fast parabolic gap entry. Market didn't give me that. I waited for this entry. Market didn't give me that. So I didn't push my button. But everyday session is learning session. So over there you will see winning trade, losing trade, a lot of things you will see over there. And that's why I keep saying that please don't copy my trade. Every day I keep saying that. Please reply my message, bro. What is your message, bro? Bishwash Pandey. Thank you. You're most welcome. I was in ICT Live today and I saw his yesterday's entries from the lows, and today it's somehow the same at 9:37 candle as fabric of inversion fabric of long. Seems advanced through I risked before macro hour. If you actually take the entry before the macro, there is nothing wrong. But if you take entry before the news, that is wrong. So some of you actually write it down that he has taken the entry before 10. I don't remember the name who was that guy. He was gambling over there. Absolutely, he was gambling. Eh, I mean, I'm sorry to say that, but it's my opinion. He didn't do it right. But if you take entry before the macro, depending on, okay, again donation. Who is that? Jerry Swag. What is happening right now today? Thank you, brother. I can't say you anything. Otherwise, everyone will just tell me, brother, you are immature. I don't want to be immature, but thank you so much, brother. Do you come live every day and trade live? Yes, sir. I have already given the reply. Thank you so much, brother. Jerry. No, sir. Until there is no bearish fair value gap, I can't go for the sell. Thanks for showing me the light. You're most welcome, brother. I appreciate it, man. Can I share some experience with another pair chart here? If you wanna share, please share it to our Discord. We'd love to see that, brother. Thanks for that penguin cap as well. Thank you so much, brother. How many times do you come live, bro? I don't have any idea. Whenever I come, whenever I feel good, I come to live. Okay, but especially morning session, I do live morning session. Other times, sometimes I come PM session. Otherwise, I spend my time to Discord live. Thank you, AFX. Thank you, Outlander. Thank you, Jayswick. Thank you so much, guys. I'm appreciating. Okay, don't blame me. Hey, bro. Around 9:10 a.m., there was a confusion to choose the fair value gap 50% between two liquidities. Can we use event horizon between two fair value gaps? I have to observe, brother. I didn't think like that with CM Chetan, and I will forget that for sure. You can observe it, okay? I mean, I didn't do it, but you can use that event horizon because that is something ICT explained in 2024. I forgot about that event horizon actually already. I have forgotten about that. Don't you come live in macro, New York and London? Because I just come live in the morning session most of the time 8:45 a.m. New York local time to until 11:59 a.m. New York local time. That means the whole morning session. Okay, just the morning session. Yes, sir. Everything is free over here. No charge. No charge. Everything is free. It will be free for forever. Discord is free, sir. Whenever you will see that I'm asking money for teaching purpose, leave me, unfollow me, unsubscribe me. It's my request because you will know that I'm greedy over there. I won't be able to give you anything. If you would love to look for a sell, please look for a sell after getting a bearish fair value gap. Until then, I'm not interested to look for sell. But if you want to go for the sell, please go for that. No, sir, I don't use silver bullet. No, Taka. Where are you from, crypto? Where are you from, brother? Hey, bro, I took sell today in New York and got target. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations, brother. I tried to take entry over here to the first fair value gap. I didn't get the entry opportunity. Then I have tried to take this entry. I didn't get the opportunity to take the entry. So far I had two opportunity around after 9:30 to take entry. I didn't get the opportunity to take the entry. After PPI, I had one opportunity. I got that entry. I mean that entry only. So far I just missed every entry because market didn't give me the entry. That's all. Okay, so me, I'm a noob comparing with you guys. I can see a lot of you actually got the entry opportunity. I didn't get it, so sorry for that. Originally Kolkata, now UK. Oh, okay, so you know the Bengali. That's cool. Thanks, Mon. Thanks, man. May Allah bless you. Thank you so much, Made8. Thank you so much, brother. What is it called? What do you mean by what is called? This week 3 target and 2 stop loss. 3 target, 2 stop loss. That's cool, brother. You should be happy. I mean, still you are in profit, right? I'm observing this fair value gap. Can this fair value gap hold the price? This is the area where I'll be looking for a order block entry. If it can hold the price, this fair value gap, I will look for a order block entry. Buy. Oh, I should not explain that on beforehand. Okay, this time I have done it. I'm not looking for sell. Even if it keep falling, I don't give a shit. I'm not looking for a sell. Don't we take live entry 99% maybe a slight X what is that? X what is that word slate? Can you please make it little easier to understand? My mother language is not English, brother. Just a second. My cat came to me, came to visit me. He was calling me. Open the door, open the door, open the door. Means bending the truth. Okay. Exaggeration. Exagger exagger exaggeration. Exaggeration. I guess. Means bending the truth. 99% maybe slight exaggeration. Okay. Hey Dido, what do you do if we have two parallel gap during the macro time? Should we cover the breakaway gap as well? I don't remember, brother. I don't remember about that. To be honest, please watch that macro folder. I have forgotten what did I talk about that two parallel gap. It's cleared over there in that macro folder. I just don't remember. Okay, 90% happy. Okay, I'm happy. Thank you, sir. I got it. No, sir, no silver bullet. Okay, did you just start learning the macro? Yes, sir. Nando, I have already made the video about. If you go to my playlist, you'll see the macro folder. It is very specific, and everything is different. So you have to have the clean chart over there. Absolutely clean chart if you'd love to trade the macro. No, sir, I'm not looking for sell. I can't look for a sell. Look at this 15-minute chart. After seeing this 15-minute chart, tell me, should I look for a sell? Look over here. Just think that there is no 1-minute chart. What should I look for? What do you think? What should I look for? Sell or buy? Do I have the sell side liquidity? No. Do I have the buy side liquidity? No. What should I look for? Market has already provided everything I was waiting for. It has taken the buy side liquidity. It has reached until the constant cosmet. It has done everything. Now what should I look for? Do you believe that price is going for C of daily fair value gap? I am not interested about that. I will decide that when market will close above this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. If it can close above this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, yes sir, then the constant cosmet of that last daily fair value gap is going to be my target. Until then, I'm not interested to look for buy. Not looking for long-term buy. Long-term buy, no. I'm long-term sell. I'm interested to look for long-term sell, not long-term buy. In a short term, I have no direction right now because I don't have the sell liquidity. I don't have the buy side liquidity from 15-minute chart. Can remember when the stream was over 20k when that guy pissed you off last year? Ravi, can remember when the stream was over 20k when the guy pissed you off last year? Ravi, I don't remember what you were talking about. 20k was what was that? Have a great weekend. Gotta go. See you, Jerry. See you, brother. I want to watch Beast Mode again. Could you share your Discord link one more time, please? Can anyone do that for me, please? Otherwise, I'll do it. Sorry, Tito, I'm not coming regularly here to watch you live because of my studies. It's okay, Sachin. No worries, brother. No worries, man. Just don't give up. That's all I would love to ask. Don't give up. Trading, if you give up, you are a loser. If you don't give up, you will learn. You will start to earn tomorrow. You will start to earn. Can anyone please share the Discord link for me, please? Otherwise, I will do that. And Ravi, I really didn't get what did you say? Bro, I got funded. Was copy trading 250k account. I'm so happy. Congratulations, Alda. Alda, congratulations, brother. I love to listen this type of messages, man. I really love to listen this. To read this type of messages. Okay, let me actually share the link. I think I can share it from there. Invite people. No, sir. If I put it to the bio, after some days it doesn't work. I put it to the bio, but then it doesn't work after some days. I don't know why. I think maybe October, November, but what date was it? That's what I'm asking. Can you remember? I would like to watch stream again. Thank you, Outlander. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, if I put it in the bio, it doesn't work after a certain days. I like 5 to 6 days, it doesn't work. I mean, the link is invalid. Something that type of information shows over there. Yes, sir. Price action is shit right now these days. Try to avoid PM session. Last 3 to 4 weeks, PM session is absolutely crap. Shit. No price action, no garbage, absolutely garbage. The PM session. So try to avoid that. Try to trade only the morning session. That's all. Okay, guys, it's already 11:30. I was thinking to trade. I just didn't find any entry opportunity. But all that was my first entry opportunity over here. If it could tap to this high, I would go for the buy. Even this time, if it could reach until the high, I would go for the buy. I tried to take entry from the macro, just missed that for one handle. So this morning session, if you ask me, except that PPI news entry, except that entry, I don't have any other entry. I didn't find out any other entry. So yeah, that is all for today, and it's almost 11:30. After 11:30, I don't trade. So it's actually lunch hour for me. The lunch hour start from 11:30. So after 11:30 candle, I don't trade anymore. Yeah, that's all. Okay, what you're talking about in New York PM session is the best only session I trade. Okay. Then trade it, brother. For me it's bullshit. This PM session absolutely shit for me. This was yesterday's PM session. fully crop price action here. If you look the previous day's PM session, I think it was here. Yeah, absolutely crop price action, absolutely crop, seek and destroy mode, absolutely crop. If you look the previous day's PM session around this area, where was that? Yeah, it was thing here. Yeah, that was the price action the previous day. It went higher dramatically. You see, this is very good, unable to catch any move from this run, this PM session run. I'm unable to catch any move over there. Just simply keep going higher without anything. That was Tuesday manipulation. I mean, sorry, expansion day, obviously, but it was very difficult to catch it. I mean, but it was little good. There was nothing wrong. If you go to Monday, where is Monday? There is Monday, I guess. Yeah, this Monday. If you look at the PM session, where is the PM session? This is the PM session, right? Yeah, yeah. Look what happened. Little boom, no entry opportunity, just boom, just boom. So it wasn't good for me, but yeah, maybe it is good for some of you, but it wasn't good for me, and it is not good for me. The PM session, it's absolutely shit for me. But if you can make money from the PM session, congratulations. Yeah, guys, I'll be back in my Discord live around the PM session, because PM session I'm not interested to trade. So this whole morning session, my intention, let me just finish it, as I didn't do the today's, I mean, what I was expecting. I didn't share it, right? So let me just share it, and then I'm going to close it. I talked about this to my Discord just before the AM session. Price was there. I told that buy side liquidity is my target. Today I'm bullish until this constant encroachment is not broken. That is the last line that is going to tell me, is market going to fall, or is market going to go higher again for that buy side liquidity. That was my inversion parabolic gap, because market has traded that on, take the liquidity, trade, take the liquidity. For the first time, it has closed above this inversion parabolic gap, trade that inversion parabolic gap, market went higher. It should go for the liquidity if there is any liquidity left over there, any kind of liquidity left over there, from 1 minute chart, from 15 minute chart, any kind of liquidity left over there, it will go for that. If there is no liquidity left, it will trade the last parabolic gap, at least last parabolic gap. That was that inversion parabolic gap. I was bullish today for that buy side liquidity. That buy side liquidity has taken. If anyone is thinking, oh brother, after effect you are saying, you can ask Slate, because I don't remember the others people name to my Discord live who were there. I'm not sure actually, because I was unable to see their name. That's why I was talking to Slate, and you can ask him if I'm telling you lie, or if you have any confusion or any kind of whatever it is. Okay, so that was the theme. I was looking for buy only, and the PPI news has provided me a selling opportunity for a little short-term sell, and then I was looking for buy, but it didn't provide me. If you ask me, yes sir, I'm still bullish. I would love to see that market will go for that buy side liquidity, for this buy side liquidity. Just I need to see, can it break this bullish parabolic gap. I will look for a sell if and only if there is a bearish parabolic gap. If there is a bearish parabolic gap, then I will start to think that maybe market will fall. I'm not sure. I don't have the sell side liquidity. I'm not sure about selling. But if you ask me, yes sir, I'm confident about buying. So yeah, that was the whole theme for today's session. And yep, now your time now. What is it? No, Noita. What did you say? Your time now. Good night and thank you. You're most welcome. Yeah, brother. So if you're with me in my Discord, get ready for the PM session. It's gonna be messed up. Okay, so it's all gonna be the learning session. Lot of losing trade you'll be able to see over there. So yeah, that's all. Okay, anybody has any question? I always ask that because I love questions. Anybody has any questions? If you don't have, then just write down buy, see or buy, something like that. Okay, I guess nobody has no question. Thank you, Tito. Okay, no question. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I hope that we'll meet around the PM session in my Discord, in our Discord. My mistake. See you guys.